Okay, here we are for example number 8. We're going to try to sketch a graph of fx equals 3x to the 4th minus 4x cubed. And we're going to attempt this without the graphing feature of a calculator. You have enough knowledge now that you can do this. Okay? First thing I would look at is the end behavior. We talked about this yesterday in the lesson. It's an even exponent, and it's positive leading coefficient. That means that goes up, left, and up to the right. So our graph is going to finish up in both directions like that somehow. Step 2, zeros. Let's locate the zeros. So to solve this, looks like I can factor out x to the third. It's going to leave me with 3x minus 4 equals 0. So if x cubed equals 0, x equals 0. We know this is a multiplicity of 3 because we just cube rooted it to get 0. 3x minus 4 equals 0, so 3x is 4, x equals 4 thirds. So our zeros are at 4 thirds, so there's a 0 there, and a 0 at 0. So 0 at 4 thirds and 0 at 0. And we know, let's find a few more points in between now. So step 3, a few more points. The points I'd probably find for this one, I want to know what's going on in between the zeros, so I'm going to pick 1. So if x equals 1, 3 times 1 to the 4th minus 4 times 1 to the 3rd is going to be 3 minus 4, which is negative 1. So 1, negative 1. That's going to happen. Let's go ahead and pick negative 1, the next spot after the 0. So 3 times negative 1 to the 4th minus 4 times negative 1 to the 3rd. Negative 1 to the 4th is 1 times 3 is 3. Negative 1 to the 3rd is negative 1 times negative 4 is positive 4, so it'd be 7. Negative 1, 7 is probably up here. Since the end behavior goes up to the right, it's pretty safe to assume this graph comes up something like that. We know it's going to come down to this point. It's going to turn up somehow. Question is what goes on over here. So let's try 2. Someone put 2 in for x. Three times 2 to the 4th minus 4 times 2 to the 3rd. 2 to the 4th is 16. 3 times 16 is 48. 2 to the 3rd is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 48 minus 32 is 16. And so it's pretty safe to assume this goes up to the right for 2 comma 16.